Hi everybody, it's Carrie again from 25-8, and I am here with this week's ways that we're going to be upcycling our coffee bags. This week we're going to be talking about very quick ways to use the bags in your classroom, because what teacher has more than 2 extra minutes in their day to actually do an extra activity? So the first way that we feel like we can use the bags in the classroom, and that Joey actually uses in his classroom, is that once the bag is empty, what's great about these bags is they're durable because the inside is plastic, they're waterproof, they're awesome. So they also happen to be the perfect size to store pens, pencils, crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything in your classroom that you have that needs a place for storage. They fit well on group desks where your students share their markers, their crayons. And they're also super great for anything on your desk that you need to quickly put in a bag and bring somewhere with you. And so, just to show you, I stole this off Joey's desk. So we have markers, pencils, dry erase markers. They all fit, highlighters all fit perfect. Bam, in and closed. So that is one way for this week that you can upcycle your bag in the classroom. The second way that we are going to upcycle our bag this week is by creating a bag that we are calling our bag of encouragement. So one of my best friends is a special ed teacher in New York, and one of the things that she has noticed with her students is that sometimes they need extra encouragement throughout the day, and they don't want to come to her and talk about a problem. Maybe they're feeling it inside and they don't want to verbalize it yet, or something along those lines. And so one of the things that she's done in her classroom is actually have a little place where her students, when they need, can come reach in and pull out a slip of paper where she has written something encouraging for them. And so what we want to share with you is a way to do that in your classroom as well. And so for our bags, one of the ways that you can do that is decorating on the outside however you want, calling the bag whatever you want. Sometimes you need an extra pep in your step, a bag of encouragement, things along those lines. So we've come up with a couple ways that we've written some encouragement for our students. And so for a high school level, Joey and I came up with a few phrases, including "Your future is bright," "Greatness is in you," "It gets better," "Life is tough, but so are you," "Keep your head up," and "Stay positive." And so when we're thinking about more elementary school students, we came up with ones that say, "You are smart," "I believe in you," "We love you," and "You are kind." And so your students, they might not be getting the kind of encouragement and acknowledgement in some cases in other places in their life, whether at home, through social interactions, and you are often a person that they turn to for that. And so that gives them an extra chance for you to encourage them and reach out to them without them having to come to you specifically, because they can reach in this bag and feel you with them. And so that's a really important way that we think you can use our bags in your classroom as well. So then our third way for the week is that this bag also happens to be the perfect size for a hall pass. And so one of the ways that we are going to turn it into a hall pass is just some quick cutting with our scissors. So we're cutting the top off the bag, so the part where the bag zips closed, we're going to cut that off. Then we're going to cut one side of the bag off so that we can actually open the bag up and flip it inside out. So in that case, we also just have to cut the slit on the bottom to actually flip the bag open. And so we get the bag flipped around so that it is nice and shiny. So we can cut this bottom part of the bag off too. And then, whoop, went flying. And then we can just put some tape on the outside of the bag so that we have the shiny side out, because as we all know, our hall passes go missing and they are forgotten places. And so when your hall pass is shiny, shiny silver, hopefully it is less likely for it to go missing. So put some tape on the outside of the bag. I'm gonna make this one for Joey's classroom. So I'm gonna grab a marker and I'm just gonna write Coach Mendoza Hall pass. And there you go. You have a hall pass that is literally bright and shiny. So hopefully your students will not forget it. All right, so those are your 3 super quick ways to upcycle your bag for this week. Stay tuned this week as well. We're going to have another video we're posting, getting to know our founder, Joey. So I'm gonna interview him, ask him some questions so you guys can get to know him a little better. And then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. Next week, we're gonna post more ways to upcycle your bags. Hopefully we'll have a bit more interview as well so you can start to know us a little better and the motivation behind 25-8. And then also make sure you're following us on Instagram and on Twitter so that you can be part of our pre-order and get your coffee and stay up to date. And especially, we're hoping that you're looking through those teacher resources on our website. We've worked hard on that, and there are plenty more teacher resources coming as well. And so we will see you guys next week. Hopefully you have lots of strong coffee to get you through this week, and we'll see you then. Bye.